Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
The BigQuery Sandbox gives you hands-on access to a managed data warehouse without cost. It provides a free allocation of 10 GB of active storage and 1 terabyte of query processing per month. You can start and experiment without supplying a credit card or attaching a billing account. The Sandbox environment does not expire and is well-suited for learning SQL and exploring public datasets. Follow these basics to avoid hitting quotas while building small analytic projects in the cloud. Begin by enabling the BigQuery API and creating a Google Cloud project to use the Sandbox without a billing account. Open the BigQuery web UI, then create a dataset and define the table schema for your data. Load CSV or Newline JSON files from cloud storage using the web UI or the BQLoad command. You can also query public datasets directly and upload up to 10 GB of personal data for testing. Organize datasets by environment names to avoid accidental overwriting. When you run queries, monitor the bytes processed to stay within the 1 terabyte monthly free query limit. Prefer select specific fields, use limit clauses, and use the preview option to reduce processed bytes during development. Use cached results and parameterized queries to save processing costs and speed up iterations. Delete temporary tables or whole datasets when you finish experiments to free storage and avoid exceeding the 10 GB allocation. Finally, export important results to cloud storage to archive beyond Sandbox limits if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.